Today we'll learn the rapid zoom effect, which will make your video intros more attractive. Let's get started. First, import multiple video footage into the timeline for the project panel. Select all the footage and use scale to frame size option. This will remove the black borders. Adjust the scale for each footage to fit properly. Cut the all footage into 5 frames intervals. To do this, hold Shift and press right arrow key to move 5 frames forward, and then press W to cut. Next, apply the transform effect. In the effect controls, enable keyframes for scale. Keep the scale normal at the start and zoom in. At the end, increase the shutter angle to 100 for a smoother effect. Save this effect as a preset using the Save Preset option. Apply the save effect to all the footage. Now play the video. You will see the rapid zoom effect applied to each footage. Add a sound effect to enhance the video. Input the sound effect into the timeline for the project panel. Use the Essential Sound Panel's Automate option to adjust the sound volume. Align the sound effect with the video's width. By adding a marker point for perfect synchronization. Finally, add an overlay video footage. Increase the overlay video speed to 300%. And set the blending mode to screen. Reduce the opacity to 50% for a smoother overlay effect. Now your video is ready. Play it and you will see how the rapid zoom effect combined with sound and overlay creates an amazing result. For more amazing tutorials like this, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification so don't miss our upcoming videos.